Looking for a flooring solution that blends natural beauty, comfort, and long-lasting durability? Say hello to Umber Natural Cork Flooring from Cork Flooring, where elegance meets sustainability. Crafted in Switzerland and Green Guard Gold certified, Umber Cork Flooring brings an organic, rustic charm to your space with its beautiful blend of natural wood tones, warm browns, and soft beige hues. But it's more than just a pretty floor, it's engineered to perform. Cork is one of the most sustainable materials on Earth, harvested from the bark of cork oak trees without harming them. Our production process repurposes leftover cork from the wine industry, ensuring minimal waste. And when it's time, cork is fully biodegradable. Need peace and quiet? Cork's natural sound-absorbing qualities make it perfect for homes, offices, and even apartment buildings. Stay warm in winter and cool in summer thanks to cork's natural thermal insulation. With a higher R value than ceramic tile or hardwood, Umber flooring helps reduce energy bills while keeping your home comfortable. Spills? No problem. Umber Cork Flooring is water-resistant with watertight lock system and certified under ISO 4760. Just avoid bathrooms with standing water. Its soft, cushioned surface provides gentle support for your feet, back, and joints. Perfect for homes with kids, seniors, or yoga lovers. Cork is naturally antimicrobial and hypoallergenic, meaning it repels dust, mold, mildew, and insects, making it a great option for allergy-sensitive homes. Got a large house? Umber Cork Flooring supports installations over 50 feet long by 32 feet wide without needing any transition strips. That means fewer breaks and more beautiful, continuous flooring throughout your home. Easy to install with the Uniclicker system. Umber planks lock tightly into place. No glue required. In many cases, it can be installed directly over existing floors. Whether you're upgrading your home, yoga studio, or office, Umber Cork Flooring delivers comfort, durability, and timeless design, all backed by Swiss engineering. Ready to upgrade your space? Go ahead and order your free sample today. This product is in stock and ships fast. You'll get your sample in just 2 to 4 business days. And if you love it, we can deliver the Umber Cork Flooring to your door in about 7 to 10 business days. Visit icorkfloor.com to learn more and bring home the beauty of Umber Natural Cork Flooring.